so for Birail 3, we are going to, of course, we have this here. So that means we'll need, let's say about, at least, we need 3 profiles. But of course, our number of curves will be consistent from Birail 1, 2 curves, 2 curves, 2 curves. Only the profile changes. So we'll be needing about 3 profiles. So let's dive straight into it then. Okay. So I'll create my my curves in my front viewport. Alright, so mind you, I'm creating my proposed 2 curves. So I'll hit this, hold my my X to snap to the grid, and I will just draw something, just freehand. Hold my X to snap to the grid, and I'll snap it there. So this is what I have, like so. Maybe I could just tweak this a bit and go to my control vertices. I'd love this to come closer. Very close. Yeah, then highlight this, push this closer, highlight this, push this closer, like so. Okay, so this is what I have. I would just push this to the side and push this, duplicate this to the side. So these are my assumed birails, okay, by. Now I can add as many profiles that I want, but at least it's going to be at least 3 or more. So what I will do here is I'm going to add a profile here. Alright, I'm going to add a curve here, like the profile curve here, one here and one at the top here. So let's see how that can work. So first thing I will do is, okay, so what I will do is hold my C for it to snap to these curves. Hold my C, observe this here, hold my C, it snaps, drag it down, and I'll just draw, some curves on the floor, right? Hold my C again, it snaps, I bring it down. Does that make sense? I'll come here again, make sure you complete this here. Hold, click this again. Don't forget I'm using my EP curves, not the Bezier or the CV curve or pencil curve. Hold my C, drag this down like so. I draw on the floor. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Hold my C, it snaps down, and boom, I'm good to go. Alright, make sure you have your you complete it. So now if I continue with this now, this is already the Birail 2 because I'm having 2 curves, 2 profiles, and then 2 profiles. Okay, so I'm saying this, okay, let me come again. I'm saying this as my profile and I'm saying this as my Birail, depending, or saying this as my Birail and saying this as my curve. So, but in this case, I'm perceiving this to be my Birails. So I will need another profile. So this is a profile, this is a profile. I will need one to run from here to here. Does that make sense? So what I will do first is click this, hold my C to snap, and I'll take it up there. That means I'm going to be drawing here now. But the problem is I'll have to come here to my side view port and complete it like so. Then when I think I'm good, I will just hold my C, it snaps, and I'll play around with that until it's there. I come again with that, I would hold my C. I think that's good enough. So yeah, this is what I have completion here. So let's try this out. Okay, so I'll just hit my Birail 3 plus. Okay, before then, let me undo. Okay, let me undo. Let me hit this. Make sure your settings are like this. Edit, reset settings. Make sure it's like this. Click apply. These are my rails. Why is it Birail 3 plus? I have 2 rails or 2 curves and then 3 profiles. So select this. If I continue, look at this here. It said select any number of profile curves. So let me do that again. I click here, I hit apply. So select this here. Alright, so let me come again. I'll hit apply. Read this here, look at this. It said select any number of profile curves. It means that these that we're having here, 1, 2, 3, can even be 5. It means I can add one here, and add as many just to control how it's going to, map on the surface. So I have just 3 profiles, so I will select this one, select this, that is 3. Now read that too. It says hit enter to start real curve selection. I'll hit enter. Right, these are my real curves of Birails. Click this and click this, and then I have something like so. I can close this. So that is that. I can click this, move it out, and still play around with these curves. Okay, whatever comes to my mind, and move this up. Look at this here. Move this up, bring this down, up, and so on and so forth. So what this means is that I can go on to even add more profiles. Let's say I go to click this, hit my C, snap the curves, and then where will I draw this? What viewports? Can you guess? What viewports? Maybe here too. Just begin to draw like so. Hold my C. I'm just doing something that came to my mind. I'm not having anything exact. So complete this, hit this again, hold my C, drag this down like so. Okay, then come back here and start drawing again. It depends on what I want. Hold my C and drag it down. Let's see if this will bet something realistic. So your object mode, so let's select, let's go back. I'm going to hit this here. So they said select, okay, apply, select a number of profile curves. I will select this, 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 and this, hit enter. Select recurves, hit this and hit this, like so. And this is what I'm going to be getting. So the idea now is that you can have so many number of profiles. That is why it is called profile 3+. Why Birail 1 is 2 curves or Birails with 1 profile. Here 2 curves too with 2 profiles. Here you can have, it's still 2 curves. You can have 3 profiles, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So with this, I believe you should understand how the Birail works and how it is applied in 3D modeling. It's used a lot in car modeling when you're using your NURBS. So if you got value from this, please support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. I value so much, and I hope you stick around for more tutorials like this. Okay, thank you once again. Welcome to Creativerse, your home of innovation, creation, and inspiration. Bye. See you later.